If you want to create a form using Zoho Forms but don't know where to start, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Zoho Forms allows you to collect data like responses, feedback, registrations, and more in an organized way. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can create your form without any confusion. First, go to the Zoho Forms website and sign into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you can quickly sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Form button to begin. Now you will see different options like blank form or ready-made templates. If you are a beginner, you can choose a template based on your needs, such as contact form, registration form, or feedback form. You can also start with a blank form if you want full control. Next, you will enter the form builder. Here you can drag and drop fields like name, email, phone number, drop-downs, and checkboxes onto your form. Click on each field to customize its label, make it required, or add validation rules. You can also design your form by changing colors, layout, and themes to match your style or brand. After that, go to the Settings section to configure notifications, confirmations, and integrations if needed. Once your form is ready, click on the Share button. You can copy the form link, embed it on a website, or share it through email or social media. Finally, test your form by submitting a sample response to make sure everything is working correctly. In short, create a form, add fields, customize settings, and share it to start collecting responses using Zoho Forms. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.